Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a list in Microsoft To Do from your tasks in your account. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to Microsoft To Do, log into your Microsoft account. You may navigate to it by clicking into these 9 dots in the top left corner and select Microsoft To Do. Here, navigate to the tasks list and go through either the grid view or the list view of your tasks. And if you'd like to convert one of these tasks we have created into a list without starting all over with a completely new list, you may do that by right-clicking into the given task, and there will be that option, create new list from this task. So choose it, and that is going to convert the task into an untitled list. So as you can see, the task has been removed from the task list, and you will find it here under that list, with the task also included into the list already. So you may add more tasks to that list. You may also rename it, I don't know, example list 1. Oh, excuse the typo here. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.